Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Match Betting Chronicles. Okay, so this is just a simple video about correct score Dutching, and it's just a little one on reducing risk. So I'm doing Villarreal versus Barcelona, and currently it's going okay. I've got 1-0, 2-0, 3-0 covered to Barcelona, and also the 2-1. For Villarreal, I actually had something on the 1-0, a little bit on the 2-0, and I didn't have anything on the 2-1, but this is what I need to talk to you about. Just in case it did go 1-1, then all my scores on the Villarreal side are sort of dead. So in order to reduce the risk, odds of Villarreal winning 2-1 were 30. So all I did is I put £2 at odds of 30 at this stage in the game because it's half time. And that's reduced my risk. So now if it does go 1-1, I don't need to panic straight away. So that's just a little something you can do to reduce the risk. The more the game goes on, the higher the odds on some of these big scorelines get, and you can put a little bit of money on. So I could, if I wanted to, cover the 2-2. I don't think this game will be 2-2. I'm going to leave that one. What I might do is put a little bit on the 1-1, maybe in a bit, not right now. I might think about, if these odds get a little bit higher, putting some money on 3-1 as well. It'll bring down my overall profit, but it will make me more comfortable in this trade. I do like to look at sofa score as well to see how the game's going. At the moment, I'm going to leave it because not much is actually happening in this game. I'll just try and load this page. That's pretty weak attack momentum for what you would expect from this game. Villarreal look like they've had more, but not by much. And Barcelona looked like they were pressing for a second goal towards the end of the first half. But again, this is not significant. In terms of the shots, only 3 shots each, 3 on target though from Barcelona. So anything could happen. Of course, it's football, but I think probably it will get around to 60th minute, still 1-0 to Barcelona. So that should allow me then to reduce some risk. But like I said, I've already taken some action, and I've put some money on the 2-1 for Villarreal. Anyway, just a little short video there on doing things to reduce the risk. Hope it's been useful. I forgot to talk about 1-1. Obviously, I have got some risk on that. If it finishes 1-1, yeah, I'm in a little bit of trouble. So I might even exit this trade before full time if it remains 1-0. Because if it goes to 1-1 quite soon, I'm quite happy. But if not, I'm taking a risk. Okay, so it's now 66 minutes into this game, and it's still 1-0 to Barcelona. But although I've reduced some risk, I've put a little bit of money on the 3-1. It's this scoreline which now worries me because it's late into the game. If Villarreal were to score now, it might be a problem. Okay, so I'm looking at the sofa score, attack momentum, and Villarreal still having more attack momentum than Barcelona. This spell, it looks like they pressed heavily for a goal. I'll just look at the stats once again. Where are the stats? Okay. So yeah, they've now had 8 shots, and yep, more than Barcelona, and more possession as well. So I think I should try and reduce this risk now. So anyway, let's go back to this game, and I'll put a tenner on 1-1. Here we go. Let's get that in the market, and hopefully that'll match in a minute. And to be ultra careful, I mean, look, the odds on 2-2 are really high now, and 2-3. And if I just wanted to be really, really careful, I could even just put £1 on both of these score lines. And if that was to happen, then yep, I'm not worried at all. So I'll do that as well. Okay, and even if Barcelona were to start scoring heavily, any other away win is £50. So if I thought there's a chance it could be 4-0 to Barcelona, I could put £1 or £2 on that, but I don't think that's necessary. Looking at that attack momentum, I can't see that happening, so there's no point wasting the £1 or £2 there. Okay, so the 1-1 bet has been matched now, and yeah, if it stays 1-0, I can get £29 profit. What I might consider doing as well, if Barcelona pick up the attack momentum, is laying some of this 1-0 off. So let's say I did a lay of £20. I could just about near enough scratch if it's 1-0, but make £49 if it's 2-0, or £31 if it's 1-1. I'm not going to do that yet because, you know, Barcelona just hardly concede this season. So even with Villarreal attacking, it's still quite unlikely that they will get a goal. And Barcelona's attack momentum is very low at the moment, so it might just stay 1-0. But if I see that things pick up from Barcelona, I'll lay some of this 1-0 off. Anyway, so hopefully I'm definitely going to make something from this trade. I've reduced a lot of the risk now. 1-1 is covered. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. It's very important when you're in a winning position, don't let winning trades turn into losing trades, because believe me, you will have enough losing trades anyway. So yep, you want to definitely lock in profit. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.